As a network marketing reject myself, I understand how hard it is to build this business using traditional marketing strategies. But if you're anything like me, you still have a strong desire to make this type of business work for you and your family. I'm Cecilia, the digital marketing maven, and I've been successfully unemployed for over 4 years, and I do it using and teaching paid digital marketing strategies. My motto is, I don't practice what I preach what I practice. Now, what I've got for you is twofold. Number one, I've got a company with great products that you will use up within 30 days. So you don't have a pantry full of worthless stuff that you can't even give away. And number two, I've got a way for you to build your business using digital marketing strategies so you're not hassling friends, family, neighbors, and strangers. Now, I do need you to do two things for me, though. I need you to be open and willing and ready to join my team. And I need you to be open and willing to learn digital marketing strategies. That's it. Now, I don't expect you to sign on the dotted line without some information. So I've created a Facebook group where I'm going to give you all the deets on this amazing business and how you can make it work using the tools that I will teach you. Inside of the Facebook group, just watch the welcome video. If it's for you, then great. If not, just leave the group. No harm, no foul. Now, if you're looking for a company that pays weekly, a way to create a business on autopilot, and the exit ramp from shiny object syndrome, then you're in the right place. Just click the link below to join my Facebook group. Answer all 3 questions to get in along with the group rules, and I'll get you in within 48 business hours. I am Cecilia, the digital marketing maven.